Right, so recently I've acquired quite a few manuals and I've been scanning them into the computer, digitizing them, and then professionally, as well as I can, restoring the magazines to the way it originally was. This kind of came about on eBay one day. I was looking around, I saw some sweet Mazdaspeed catalogs that I really liked, and I really like all the parts from there, so I bought those, and I thought, I like these, but maybe some other people would like these too. So that's kind of how it all came about, and from there I've scanned probably over at least 10. And it takes a little while because I scan it in, and my printer is far away, so I have to click the button on the computer, scan it, get up, and I do that over 100 pages. It really sucks, but I think the end result is worth it. And then from there, I import each page into Photoshop, where I restore all the imperfections, like the little creases, the tears, everything like that. Even sometimes there's imperfections in the magazine itself, straight from the factory, so I fix those. And sometimes there's imperfections in the photos that they took, which don't tell the editor, but I fix those as well. And then once that's done, I compile it into a PDF and I send it to my proofreaders, and they look over for any errors, and then I compile it again after I fix the errors into the finished document, and then I host them on my Google Drive, and we have JP3 Motorsports was nice enough to be the front end for that, so all the links are there, but it's connecting to my Google Drive where people can download and access the files.